Gemini, we're finishing off the readings today with you. Oui, avec toi. Je souhaite tu penses le programme, c'est formidable. Oui, je pense tu viens ici chaque jour et regarde c'est quoi je vous dis. Okay, so we're going to go into your channel messages. This is the last song we have for the day because I was completing the readings from yesterday. Yes, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Oh boy, no. Boy, I love you and I won't be shy. To tell you this right now, I'm staring in your eyes. How much I love you and I tell no lie. If I don't get you, boy, I'm think I'm about to cry. But I keep moving my boy, grooving my boy. Oh, I can see the angel in his eyes. Cause I keep grooving my boy, moving my boy. Oh, I see the love shine so bright. I gamble, but a game I wanna play. Oh yeah. I know it's gamble, but I won't lose love for you. No way. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop here because you know what? This probably came out before I was even born. To be fucking. Let me say how long ago this song came out? Because I keep grooving my boy, grooving my boy. Oh, I can see the angel in his eyes. I'm sorry, it was pretty exaggerative. Okay, the song was released in 2007 by none other than the most humble, the most talented Richie Spice. Cause boy, I love you and I tell no lie. If I don't get you, boy, I think I'm about to cry. But I keep moving my boy, grooving my boy. Oh, I see the angel in his eyes. When are you gonna make me your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend? Okay, well then maybe you should act right. Show me that you want me, cook, clean, and be everything I want you to be. Stop saying that! Because I have the same expectations. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Gemini, we're closing the reading off with you, okay? But yeah, I'm getting you keep grooving, my girl. Or I'm getting Gemini, you're going to break your poker face soon. I'm getting, if I don't get somebody, I'll literally cry. You're gonna literally be like, I want you to be my girlfriend. Okay? I'm getting, you're gonna die, you're gonna cry if you don't get somebody, okay? Let's see what your overall message is. Gemini, the Two of Pentacles. So I'm getting you're making a bet, you're taking a gamble. I'm seeing you at a slot machine. I'm getting something about a slot machine. I'm getting if you're at a slot machine anytime this week, you will hit a jackpot. I'm getting 777. I'm seeing 3 red 7s. I say 777 with the line, and then there's another 7 over the middle 7. That's what I'm say. I'm getting you're gonna lick the jackpot this week. I'm getting something about a casino. If it's not a casino, I'm getting, yeah, you're making a gamble. You don't know if you need to approach this girl. But I'm getting, you got everything before you approaching her. You got your finances together, your room is organized, every motherfucking thing. You got your playlist in our playlist, okay? I'm getting, everything is in order, or you'll make one last gamble before you finally give up. You wanna groove with this girl, moving this girl. Okay, so the answer to your question is the 7 of Pentacles, which is a no. Me getting is a no. Don't take the gamble. I feel like you bet against somebody. You want somebody to make a bet. One or uno, I gonna fall short on the bet. I think it's the earth sign. I don't know what it, okay, so Gemini, I'm getting you dealing with the earth sign. You're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man. You and one Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man made a bet. So apparently the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man, I don't know what happened. Something gets pushed back for him. This could be something about visa or whether them can work legally. So I'm getting the answer to your question is no though. I'm getting it's a no. Don't take the bets. Don't bet with them. Don't bet, don't take the bets, don't take the baits. I'm getting something rigged. Or somebody already knows that they're going to win at all costs. This could be over a girl. Now if you don't take the advice and decide to go ahead and bet, you're going to receive the 5 of swords. Yeah. Because you're dealing with a Gemini. Here's, I'm getting something rigged. Something rigged, Capricorn. Now I am doing, who's reading me doing? I'm doing Gemini's reading. Gemini, you and a Capricorn are go off of the same thing. I'm getting you a win. You're going to win not by force, but by you pull some strings. You're cheating to win, basically. Listen, me getting everybody supposed to play fair, but there was no rules to play dirty. There was no rules that you can't play dirty, even though everybody was playing fair. Capricorn and you made a bet. The Capricorn was playing fair. You was like, I ain't gonna win playing fair. Because if I don't get hurt, then I think I'm gonna die. Or me getting you meet her first. Me getting you and a Capricorn, and Gemini and a Capricorn want to see him, girl. Me getting the Gemini meet her first. Maybe the Capricorn was more. Me getting the Capricorn was closer to her, but the Gemini meet her first. Me getting you want the girl, you and a. Me getting it's clear to you and a Capricorn that you don't want this girl. I don't know if you're being bros and you're being like, well, make the best guy win. Gemini, you ain't gonna motherfucking follow no shit like that. Me getting you're gonna do every blood clot thing. You're gonna use, if you was a police officer, you make sure the Capricorn is locked the fuck up so them can't talk to this girl. Cause me getting the Capricorn was leading and now something happened. Maybe you have enough power to pull strings, you probably make the Capricorn lose them job. No, them have a son in them yard. Cause I'm guessing whatever you're doing, Gemini, you playing dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. And you don't give a fuck. What happens if you do follow this and go through with this? The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, it's like you're stuck, you can't move. Cause over yesterday you work, now the job, you can't work no more. You have to go back to school, go learn a new skill. I don't know who this Gemini is, but I'm getting the Gemini have connections and them have links. And it's all about grooving with this girl. Or because you groove with a girl there before the Gemini groove with the girl. I'm getting the Gemini, why we don't know the Gemini? Fuck you. The Gemini take the whole of your money, make you not get no pay, and then tell you say you have to go back to school, go learn one new trade. Maybe you're going to school at the moment. Maybe the Gemini is going to make sure you don't finish it. That's what you get for fucking my bitch. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. I wrote celibate. Fuck your bitch for the hell of it. If you did not leave your bitch without care, then you should have not cared that another man fucked your bitch. You don't have a bitch and leave her at home, having her wondering where the fuck you are when you gonna come home. Jesus Christ, this is the best cooking I ever motherfucking done, and this nigga still ain't home. You don't treat a bitch like that. Another guy's going to take your place. Because if you don't love me, somebody else will. Somebody else will love you. If I don't love you, they will not love you better, but they will love you nevertheless. And knowing that you're going to be my ex, you're going to need all the love you can get. Because this is something that's going to follow you for the rest of your life. Not because I'm going to haunt you, but because you're going to see how stupid you really was. The Empress. Because you gave up an Empress. And you might be like, yeah, you can be an Empress. Enough man don't want Empress, that is true. Enough man don't want an Empress, no. But when you're at the end of your life, when you need somebody to take care of you, when you need somebody to have your back, you're going to need an Empress. And you ain't going to have it. You started your life with an Empress and you left for other girls. Usually you start your life with other girls and then you meet the Empress and you marry her. You did the opposite. That's why you will suffer. Or I'm getting, we're dealing with the Empress here. Ain't no motherfucking way the Gemini going to play fair. You want me to play fair. You want me to wait for your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn. Gemini is like, you know what? Let me get him fired from his job. So he will not have no money to even care for the Empress. And then if I'm the only man, the Empress, around the Empress, then the Empress probably will just be, okay. I'm getting it's all about you. I'm getting Gemini, I'm getting air and earth. Gemini, and the Empress is air and earth. She's not Gemini, she's Libra though. She's Libra and Taurus, mostly Taurus. Yeah, I'm getting you ain't playing fair. You're like, fuck that, I want to talk for myself, and I ain't about to waste no motherfucking time. You want the Empress. If I don't get you, boy, I think I'm gonna die. Cause I keep grooving my boy. Grooving my boy. Gemini, oh, I see the angel in your eyes. Can I do it one more time? I know sometimes you don't like my off-key singing, but you have to understand that somebody must discover me. I must get discovered. If my voice don't get discovered, they will. You know what is gonna come? You know what is gonna come? The money and buy Gemini. What my cloud? Gemini, you came out in your reading. That's what I'm getting. No, I remember doing a reading and I said that, oh, if I'm for blindly take a chance with a Gemini or a Capricorn, I would take the chance with a Capricorn. That's what I said to you. Apparently, I don't know if your sister the reader tell you, so she rather take the chance with the Capricorn. I'm getting you're like over my dead dick. And knowing a Gemini, your dick is never dead. I'm getting you're like, fuck that Capricorn. Fuck the devil. I'm getting you just set up the devil, so the devil is no competition for you, so you can deal with her. Gemini. Let's just close out the reading. We're going to close it out, Gemini. Closing talk, signing off. Okay. Unsolved mysteries, Gemini. Boy, I love you and I won't be shy to tell you this right now. You're staring in my eyes. How much I love you and I tell no lie. If I don't get you, boy, I think I'm about to cry. Cause I keep moving my boy, grooving my boy. Oh, I see the angel in your eye. We have a Leo now. So we have Gemini and now we have a Leo. Lord Jesus. When one competition left, another one came in. I see the angel in his eyes. The Magician. Trust no one. And I trusted the wrong person. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.